Hey, what's up guys, it's Jace, and today I'm trying to solve a massive problem. I just moved into this new apartment and I'm missing a ton of things, but thankfully I have this 3D printer behind me that can potentially solve that. Okay, so I have the Bambu Lab H2D, and this is basically what it looks like. And we're using the PLA Matte Filament. So what's great about all of this is there's an online marketplace where creators have already made models that you can download and print yourself. So when I was looking for things specifically, I wanted to target my bathroom and my kitchen. So I went to bathroom, and this is what I found. This great bathroom organizer. The whole process is just so simple. I mean, you just take the model from the marketplace and you send it to the printer and you hit print. You select the filament type and color, and you just wait. I did 3 separate prints that took approximately 24.5 hours to give me this incredible bathroom organizer. I'm such an adult. I also realized that I needed a paper towel holder, so I saw that in the marketplace, made it black, and proceeded to print that as well. The app interface is incredibly intuitive, and watching the time lapses back after you print something is just so rewarding. And there it is, my little paper towel holder. Checking in, we are making major progress. Hey, also, I want to show you this because this is looking fresh. Oh, I probably should put like a bigger paper towel in here so you can see it, but like, one second. Oh, lovely. So what's crazy is you don't even need a computer to actually do any of this, right? So let's say hypothetically you're unpacking some boxes and then you realize you don't have a place to put your keys. You can go right on the Bambu Handy app and print a key tray holder. That's phenomenal. So there you have it. I'm having a blast, and it's so much fun just to go in and create whatever I can discover. The next phase of this, obviously, though, is to learn how to do all of this modeling myself. So stay tuned for that journey. Should be just a tip-top great good time. Well, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you here next time on Elevate TV. Peace.